Hello, and thank you for your interest in Genesis Now for your agency management system needs. I'm excited to share it with you today. Genesis Now is a powerful tool for your agency. We're going to start on the dashboard. Here you'll find many things to help you throughout your day, such as integrations with FormStack, WeSignature, and Docusign for your electronic signature needs. If you're already using one of these vendors, why not integrate it with your Genesis Now for ease of use? Time clock for easily tracking your team's hours. Client Quick Add so that you can quickly and easily add new customers into your system. Text messaging. From here, you'll be able to send a quick and easy text message to your customer without going to their client file. If you need to send a larger text message and including documents, you would do that from inside the client profile. Jmail. Jmail is for your communications with your team members to quickly and easily talk about clients and policies while making a time date stamp note on the client account. You'll have a calendar with shared calendar events, a client search with an advanced search, as well as a client list where you can see all of your clients in one place. A customizable dashboard to allow you to only put the things that are important to you for your day in your view. You can add as many or as few cards as you'd like. You can make them the size that fits your need best. Client files that are easy to navigate. You'll have customization inside of the client file as well. You'll be able to move the cards to the order that best suits you. You'll have a data import that will allow you to quickly and easily import new leads or customers into your system. Easy client management from start to finish. If you need to rewrite a policy, it's quick and easy. You can simply hit the rewrite policy, put in the new policy number, company, premium, and your effective dates, and it will automatically transfer the information from this policy to the new one for you. Suspense reminders that show on the client level as well as on your dashboard on the day they're due. Critical suspenses that show up in red so that you're sure not to miss anything. Notes with the ability to add your notes with time date stamps as well as add media files to the notes. Suspense that show on the client level as well as on the dashboard, and they stay here until you complete them. If they show in red, they're critical. Two-way email integration. So if you send an email to your customer from inside of your system and they respond to that email thread, it will come back in to your received emails while leaving a copy on your current email. Powerful media files that will allow you to drag and drop, select a file locally, or scan a file directly in. These can not only include PDFs, but they can also include pictures, sound bites, video clips. You'll also be able to add users as producers only. This is used for tracking purposes when the user doesn't need to be in the system for any reason, but you still want to track their production. Accounting, with the ability to hold multiple accounts as well as have a check register for each account. We do have the export to QuickBooks file. This is a local export. You can also print checks on blank check stock from right inside your system. Commission tracking with up to 3 producer commissions per policy. Our commissions will download from your carriers, or you can manually enter them. Custom reports that allow you flexibility to see what you need the first time with lots of filter options. Marketing automation. Emails and text messages that will automatically touch your customers and prospects. Each customer is communicated with the way that they would like to be communicated with. So you set that up on the client level when you're adding your customer to the system. Voice over IP integration to pull the customer up in a new tab when they call in. Online credit card integration with Simply Easier Payments and WeSignature Payment. It will transfer your receipt information right to your provider, and where you can go ahead and run the card and complete your transaction. Your system will come with a full training program for you and your current team members, as well as access to training videos for new team members when you need them. Custom policy types to allow you to add your own policies into the system. Why not reach out to us today and see how Genesis can help you in your agency? We'll be happy to schedule a one-on-one demo for you to answer any questions you may have. So pick up that phone and go ahead and give us a call. 828-245-1171.